Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's tutorial I'm going to be concentrating on the eye look. I didn't really show how I did my face because you guys have seen that 1,001 times. So to begin with, I already did my brows. I used the matte brook pencil, then I used the concealer from Beyond Beauty. Now I use the concealer to also prime my eyes. So right now I'm going into the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's, which is by far my favorite matte palette ever. So I just took a brown shade to place just close to my brows at first, and I went into the Queen's palette also by Juvia. That's their the eyeshadow palette they made with Fumi Desalu Vault. So I took that red shade, then back into the Warrior 2 palette I took that gray shade to kind of place right above my crease. I'm darkening it with just a bit of black. So now I'm going into the Benai Clown White to cut my crease, and I'll be extending the cut crease outwards. So you guys, I didn't show this part, but I took a white matte eyeshadow also from the Warrior 2 palette to set that white area. Then I cut my crease again because it's like a double cut crease. So I cut my crease again using some concealer, and then I'm extending the gray outwards and joining it to the dark part of the cut crease. Then now going into that Queen's palette, eyeshadow palette, I also just took that red shade there to place in the middle of my eyes, and using some Benai Clown White also I'm placing it in the middle because I want to put that champagne gold shade right there in the middle, as you guys can see me doing right now. So I'm taking that copper shade to just soften like the edges of the champagne gold and blend it into the matte red shade. And now everything is nicely blended. I'm just going to be taking my lashes from Miss Metics I just popped them on. So now to moisturize and to prime my face, I use the moisture portion also from Miss Metics, and I'm just applying that all over my face and blending it down in. So now this product that I'm using right now is responsible for my glowy skin. You guys, I really love it. It's super creamy and easily blendable. It's from Saint Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. They gifted this to me. So what I like is that I can easily blend it with my fingers and just rub it in. I've used a lot of liquid illuminators that don't allow you blend them easily with your fingers as I'm doing like this. So now I just use that to create like the glowy base on my skin, and then I'm applying my foundation. Now this is from Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, and this is the shade 205. So you guys, this is where I skipped this is where I just skip right to the end because you guys already know how I do my face. You guys can see that the skin is glowy. I had to pair it with this lipstick because of the color of my outfit, and you guys, I used some glow on my chest area, and you guys can see it's really beautiful. It's from Royal Makeup, another Nigerian brand, and I like a subtle glow. I don't like when it looks like I'm sweaty or whatever. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to comment, and to share. And before you leave, please check out my other videos if you're interested in other makeup tutorials. I'm going to just be leaving them up there on the screen. You can click on any of them, and I'm sure you're going to love them. So I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Do take care of yourself, and I love you guys. Bye.